Have you ever been worried about the safety of your money in a bank? What if the bank were to fail? Would you be able to get your money back? In this video, we're going to answer the question, is Tangerine Bank insured? Tangerine Bank is a Canadian bank that offers a variety of banking products and services. It is a member of the CDIC, which is the Canadian Deposit Insurance Corporation. The CDIC is a federal government agency that insures deposits in Canadian banks and credit unions. This means that if your bank fails, you will be able to get your money back, up to a certain amount. So, is Tangerine Bank insured? Yes, it is. In this section of the video, we will discuss the following topics. What is the CDIC? How much is my money insured by the CDIC? What are the benefits of being a CDIC insured member? What are the risks of not being a CDIC insured member? How can I find out if my bank is CDIC insured? What is the CDIC? The CDIC is a federal government agency that insures deposits in Canadian banks and credit unions. This means that if your bank fails, you will be able to get your money back, up to a certain amount. The CDIC was created in 1967, and it is now one of the largest deposit insurance programs in the world. How much is my money insured by the CDIC? The CDIC insures your deposits up to $100,000 per depositor, per insured institution. This means that if you have $100,000 or less in your account, you will be able to get your money back in full if your bank fails. If you have more than $100,000 in your account, you will still be able to get your money back, but you may not get it all back. The CDIC will pay out a maximum of $100,000 per depositor, per insured institution. What are the benefits of being a CDIC insured member? There are many benefits to being a CDIC insured member. Some of the benefits include: your deposits are safe and secure. You can get your money back if your bank fails. You can be confident that your bank is financially sound. What are the risks of not being a CDIC insured member? If you are not a CDIC insured member, there is a risk that you will lose your money if your bank fails. This is because the CDIC does not insure deposits in non-CDIC insured institutions. How can I find out if my bank is CDIC insured? There are a few ways to find out if your bank is CDIC insured. You can check the CDIC website. Call the CDIC at 1-888-442-4462. Ask your bank representative. Tangerine Bank is a CDIC insured member, so your deposits are safe and secure. If you are looking for a safe and reliable bank, Tangerine Bank is a good choice. If you have any questions about Tangerine Bank or the CDIC, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance.